so like loud.
It gets so loud.
This just in. A winner has been named in our annual Skipper Art Competition. The winning piece is Banana in the Savannah by Skipper Hannah. Well, I know I'm a Banana. Speaking of winners, the annual River League Softball Championship game is tonight. Come watch as the Jungle Navigation Company's boat crashes takes on the Tiger Tails of Bengal Barbecue. Go boat crashers, grill those tiger tails! Travelers taking the Jungle Cruise are encouraged to book safari excursions in advance. Personally, I recommend the Lost River Delta. The next song is dedicated to Skipper Felix from Skipper Kim. She tells me that he's working his first ship ever with the Jungle Navigation Company. Well, Skipper Felix, let me be the first to give you a hearty hallelujah and welcome to the job.
We're gonna slide all the way down towards Skipper Jimmy. Follow him where else you can.
Alright, toss them in. Hi folks, welcome aboard. Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrail water. I'm underway. The water is good. So wet. How are y'all doing? Y'all doing alright? Yeah? How's the lines out there? Pretty long? Yeah, this boat ride's 18 and a half hours. 16 if we're very lucky. You have time to get off. Alright. Folks in the back, you guys are sitting in the VIP section. It stands for the view is pathetic. Yeah. How many first timers on Jungle Cruise again? Y'all been here before? Why? You still have time to get off. Alright. There you go. You sit right in the doorway, now you're adorable. Aww. Okay, we're gonna have something say goodbye to my wonderful skipper. Say bye-bye. We'll never see them ever again. Hi folks, welcome to world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Jimmy. I'll be cruise director for as far as we get. Please remain seated at all times. Keep your arms length inside the boat. Don't stand up, and please supervise your children as now we enter the deepest parts of the Amazon rainforest, where it rains over 365 days in a year. That's almost every day.
What was that? What was that?
And right there's the first sign of danger. The other shoulder, turn around. There you go. On the right side of the boat is a Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where Professor Indiana Jones has the biggest archaeological dig in the world right over there. On our left-hand side is a serpent, holding a crystal or a sphere. Our Jungle Cruise experts have decided which it is. I just say, it's either orb. We are now fast approaching an ancient Cambodian shrine, many thousands of years ago, created by ancient Cambodian Shriners. And we've come across a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. He's able to leap over 50 feet. Thank goodness we're 25 feet away. He's only right over us. Right next to us, two pairs of king cobras. They always travel in pairs. There's 1, 2, 3. Where's the... Oh, crocodile! Crocodile! Did you see the crocodile? Are you okay? Oh, I try to keep you safer. Sometimes the jungle's very dangerous in the afternoon. We are now approaching a sacred Indian elephant bathing pool here in the Jungle Cruise. In fact, it's a whole herd of them, and that's really unheard of here in the jungle. Take as many pictures as you want because they do have their trunks on. Up ahead in that shower is beautiful Bertha. She's been in there for 36 and a half hours, and her wrinkles are just beginning to show. Oh, speaking of wrinkles, why do elephants have wrinkles? Because there's no iron in the jungle. Iron. Attention, let's get closer. Oh my, the family of gorillas have overtaken the safari jeep. Oh no, and they flipped over that jeep and left the lights off. Now we'll never get that thing to turn over. Kids, stay very still. Don't act like a banana. Gorillas find that very, very appealing. Up ahead is beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after our founder of the Jungle Cruise Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. If you don't get that, we'll come back to that later. We just made a right turn into the most beautiful and the longest river on planet Earth. This river is over 4,000 miles in length. It starts in the country of Egypt, goes right through the eastern part of Africa, and it's called the Nile. Well, if you don't believe me, you are in denial. Folks, that's the rarest animal in the entire jungle, the African bull. You hardly ever see them. They're so very rare and so very scarce. Just like I said, they're so rare and scarce. Two of them? We are now entering the African belt, the African grasslands of Africa. Let me point out some very beautiful creatures to you. Way up on top of the hill goes a gazelle. Up in front are zebras. We have some long-necked giraffes and a bamboo. And those three to the right, those must be new. And we have a sleeping zebra amongst hungry lions inside that gate. Oh, there they are, folks. There's Skipper Felix from the very, very bottom with the floor VIP on top. They left at 5 o'clock this morning from the boathouse to get back. Now I know why. They're really stuck up a tree. Oh, I hate to be with Skipper there. He's really going to get around his point at the very end. Oh, dear! We are now approaching a hippo pool. These creatures are very territorial and very, very dangerous. When they wiggle the ears and blow bubbles, they attack our boats and sink them. Last week, they attacked 10 of our boats. 9 of them are mine! Let me try and scare them off. Kids, over here. Kids, over here, kids. Oh, look, I did a good job. I scared them stiff. Oh, what's up my head? Oh, no, is that Skipper Felix's boat? It is! It is a Maycon maiden, and those apes are taking control. And that one ape up in front has a microphone. Let's see what they've been talking about. That's a good one. I'll use that one tomorrow morning. Oh, what's up ahead to the left side of the boat? Oh, these are insect crates. No! They're butterfly crates. And those butterflies aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. The moment you've all been waiting for has arrived. The colossal, the stupendous, the magnificent, the eighth wonder of the natural world, the backside of water! O2H! O2H! O2! Oh no, kids, I made a wrong turn. There's bones right here to the left. Uh-oh. Oh no, there's pictures of paintings and drawings on the riverbed walls to the right. Oh kids, there's more bones right here. Oh, this doesn't look good. Oh, hope we're not lost again. Did anybody bring a map or a compass by no? Oh, I remember. They said this is the best place to go fishing because the fish are really biting there. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they're so sleepy here. Sleepy fish. Up ahead to the left is Boa in the Tree. Hissing. We have now come to our lost and found department here on the Jungle Cruise. These are all the articles our passengers left behind in their strollers, and we brought them to display and for sale at 50% off. Oh, don't tell me they let those monkeys be in charge. That's silly. They put the elephant in charge. Well, this is the most dangerous part of the whole journey. The return to civilization. Give yourself a round of applause. You all survived together. Congratulations. Well, folks, If you had a good time, my name is Skipper Jimmy. If you did not have a good time, well, it's Skipper Felix, and he's stuck in a tree back in Anaheim. Folks, everybody celebrate a birthday, my boat birthdays? Raise your hand. Any birthdays? 1, 2? Perfect, okay. Skipper Jimmy will sing the birthdays to the both of you because I know the words. I just need everybody else on board to help me out by clapping, okay? Here we go, and clap. Clap, clap, clap. This is your birthday song. It's not very long. Happy birthday. Folks, anybody from out of town, out of state, raise your hand. Folks right here, where y'all from? From where? Idaho, Boise. Welcome to civilization. Yeah. Folks, on the right-hand side, this is Tropical Hideaway for the beautiful people at Dole. If you had not had their Dole, absolutely delicious. Pineapple, strawberry, mango, and I think the new flavor is peach. And this is Rosita. She's with Walt Disney Enchanting Thru for many, many, many years, and she decided to go solo. Solo, we can't hear her outside. And she's waiting for her phone to come in to do a worldwide tour, which I won't come in at least for today. All right, folks, as we approach the dock, please remain seated at all times. Keep your elbows, your arms inside. Kids, don't stand up, okay? We don't damage the boat or the dock. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got a couple minutes now. All right, like I said, loading. Oh, how about Skipper Jimmy give you a trivia question? You can win a nickel or a cup of water on the next bet, all right? In 1953, Walt Disney and his brother Roy Disney purchased over 200 plus orange grove acres on this property. Does anybody know the last name of the family that owned the orange grove? Any guess? No? All right, remember this name. The last name was Dominguez. And the Dominguez family asked Roy and Walt if they could leave 2 living items on this property forever and ever and ever. Does anybody know what those 2 living items would be? It's a tree, yes, correct. But it's a type of tree. It's actually a palm tree, which is right by my shoulder, right there. That's the Dominguez palm tree right there, folks. That's the first one. The second one is on the other side of Big Barbecue. It's about a third the size of that guy. So that's it. In fact, it's a Canary Island date palm tree from northern Africa. I don't know how I got here. These wonderful skippers with their hands out with their fingers. It gives me great joy and pleasure to bring you back home safe and sound. But sometimes I get a wee bit emotional. Skips, they know about the Dominguez palm tree, and we sang happy birthday, and the folks from Boise, Idaho, they laughed at one of my jokes, I think, but I forget which it was, so the bottom of my heart beats and everybody on my motorbike. Get out. Oh, that's so rude of me. Please get out. Thank you very much. I hope you had a wonderful time. I sure did. I get to go again, and again, and again, and again. Oh, I have one more joke for you mind readers out there. That's my favorite. Watch your head, watch your step, folks. Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you, folks. Welcome back. Watch your head, watch your step. Use those handrails as you exit the boat. Yeah, there you go.
Watch your head, watch your step.